high enough. Can I put under here to pump it up? What can I put under here to pump it up? Perfecto. Hold on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla, as y'all can see in the flesh, and I'm back with another Ipsy video, as you guys can tell by the title. So today we are doing my March Ipsy video, and it's 10:22 in the night. I just got back from my grandmother's house, and I was like, I need to film my Ipsy video. I mean, I need to film it anyway, but I look cute today, so let me film it while I'm looking cute. I hope you guys like my shiny bumps. They're called bantu knots in y'all culture, but where I'm from, we call it shiny bumps. So I hope y'all are feeling my shiny bumps. They're really cute. I've been sporting them for like the past 3 weeks because I took 2 inches like off my hair, because my ends were like a little damaged, so I took about 2 inches off. So I've been like not wearing it out. I had it in braids, like 2 braids, then I did straight backs, and then I did shiny bumps for like 3 weeks straight, just to, you know, not manipulate it as much. So I always get off topic, but okay, let me stop. So yes, I always get off topic, so let me stop doing that and let's get straight into this video. Here's the Jun FC bag. The cutest ever. Like, I'm feeling this bag. Like, when I go out, this is definitely gonna be a clutch that comes with me, because this is dumb cute. Like, do y'all see this bag? Mad cute. Like, what? It's definitely coming out with me, okay? All right, so this is my first time opening up the bag, y'all. I wanted to take a sneak peek when I got it, but I was like, I can't do that. I gotta be loyal to my supporters, and I gotta open them with them for that first reaction. So I'm gonna do that with y'all, okay? Let's see what's in the bag. I'm so excited. I see some cute things. All right. So the first thing we have is this Numa. So the brand is Numa. Let me show you guys the item. It's called the New Moisture Instant Fix, and it's a lightweight leave-in protectant. It detangles, hydrates, and tames hair by sealing and protecting cuticle to treat smoothness, manageability plus vibrant shine. So it's something for your hair. I'm gonna read up more on it and see how I feel about it, but if I do decide to use this in my hair, I'm gonna let y'all know. Y'all know I'm really a naturalista, so I'm gonna give y'all all the deets and tips on this if it works for the natural hair community. You feel me? Second item we have is this Tetris Eyeshadow. So that's the boxing. Show you the real packaging, which is dope. This is in the color Block Party. Y'all know that 4th of July. Why does it look like when a newborn baby seeing their mother for the first time? Hi, baby. So yeah, so y'all know that 4th of July is coming up, and a lot of block parties are gonna be in session, okay? So that nice brown mauve tone, it's gonna be really cute. Next, we have this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Banana Setting Powder. So let me open this up. I don't know why I tried to smell it. It's clearly powder. It's gonna smell like powder, but I love trying out new things. So this is gonna be really nice to try out, to see what it's all about. Next, we have this Janta Blue felt tip eyeliner pencil in the color black. So yes, that is a felt tip eyeliner pencil. As I always say in every video, I'm trying to perfect the wing eyeliner look. So all of these eyeliners that Ipsy be sending me, I'm very appreciative, because your girl's trying to master the lashes and eyeliner and just brows and bare face look. So that will help. And last but not least, when I received my Ipsy package this time and I seen these were the first things that I seen. They're from the company called Pharmacy, and they're two hydrating, well, they're two face masks, two sheet face masks. One's a hydrating and one's a brightening coconut gel sheet mask. They're a duo, but you know, I'm really excited about these. Really excited about these. Y'all know I'm really big on skincare. I'm having a little situation going on right here on my face, so these are gonna come in handy along with some high-end cosmetics. And I think I might take these with me when I go flying, when I go on a plane, because I feel like traveling with a sheet mask while you're on a plane is just like the best thing to do. Like, why not do self-care when you're about to have a whole self-care vacation, you know? So when I go on a plane, these are gonna come with me. I got two, so I'm gonna be good. One's for brightening, one's for hydrating. I'll bring both and let's see which one I use. Of course, I'll keep you guys posted and updated. And lastly, I did not forget this time, lastly is our pamphlet, which says, it's telling us about Glambag Plus. We don't need that. And it's just saying, welcome to the block party. But whatever, y'all know how the pamphlets go. Pamphlets, I think it's called a pamphlet. Let me see real quick. Let me search it up real quick, because I don't want to sound redundant. Pamphlet. Y'all know how the pamphlets go, okay? So it shows you, just gives you a little rundown on all of our items that come in the bag. And that's really it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed my Jun Ipsy unboxing reveal video. Don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Show me some love in the comments. Definitely, like, show me some love in the comments, okay? And stay on the lookout for more videos and for more Ipsy videos, because they're coming. July will be here, then August, and then September, and then I think I might end it in November, because that's when I started it. So I think I might end it in November, just to wrap up as a whole year. But stay on the lookout for more videos and more Ipsy videos. I have a new video dropping very, very soon, and I have a video that's going to be coming out before this. So I don't know why I'm telling y'all that, because it's going to be coming out before this, but it don't really matter. I love y'all, my cold click. Enjoy the rest of y'all night. I know I'm about to enjoy the rest of mine. And brows is on fleek, okay? I love y'all. Later, y'all. And happy Father's Day. It is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, okay? And especially happy Father's Day to my daddy and all the men in my life that contribute to taking care of me. I love y'all, and I love y'all, my cold click, and I love everybody that's watching that's not a part of the cold click but know they want to be a part of the cold click. Subscribe to my channel, sis. I love y'all.